gave my love a cherry.
Only $125 per unit. So I believe that you have one furnace, right? One heating unit in your home, sir?
Could you repeat that? I can't hear you.
No wonder this was for the more
Okay.
popular
It's
part.
about air duct cleaning. We clean all the supply vents and the return vents and full inspection of your furnace. Only $125 per unit. So I believe that you have one furnace, right? One heating unit, sir?
Well, no, we have four.
Four furnace. Four furnace, no matter how many vents you have. We clean all the vents, supply vents and the return vents and full inspection of your furnace and also clean your drive-in which attached to your laundry machine. You have also laundry machine, right, sir?
Okay, and how much does it cost?
Okay, wait, sir. Just wait. Four furnace. You have four furnace, right, sir?
Yeah.
Four furnace. It's only, sir, 450 rupees, sir.
Rupees?
Sorry, $450, sir.
Where the hell are you?
I'm from Home Services, US, sir.
Uh-huh, yeah, but we don't use rupees in the United States.
Okay, no problem, sir. It's $450, sir.
Okay, yeah, I think you just blew your cover there, pal. Yeah, you're not in the United States, are you?
No. I'm from United States, sir. Okay.
No, you're not.
So, yes, I am from, sir.
Where are you?
I'm from Home Services, US, sir.
No, where are you from? What city are you in right now?
Okay, so I'm a foreigner student. I work there. So my father is from American and my mother is from Indian. So that's why, sir. Okay.
Okay, but where are you? You didn't answer the question. Where's your office?
Yes, our officer, Adam Smith. Hello. Here's Maryland location 140 Adams Avenue, Silver Spring, Maryland. Okay.
I think that when you're lying to people, you need to get another job when you have to lie.
No, hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're HVAC certified, so we're born licensed and insured. All the technicians are HVAC certified. This is business all of about 7 years, 2000 to 2017. Okay, sir?
That had no stone. I gave my love a chicken that had no bones.
And it's a booking department, and our marketing department collects all our contact numbers and our customers' numbers. Okay.
So you're doing the duct cleaning today. Do you also do tech service for Microsoft?
No, sir, no.
You don't do that? What else do you do?
Okay.
What else do you do besides the duct cleaning?
Yeah, duct cleaning. We clean all the.
Do you do calls for the IRS?
No.
You don't do that?
No.
What script do you have in front of you?
Sorry?
What script are you using today?
No script, sir. What script? No script.
A script?
Okay.
No, your manager gives you a script that you have to read on the phone.
No.
Yes.
No, sir.
No, you're not going to be able to fool any people in this job unless you stop lying.
I gave my love a story that had no end. I give...
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.